On those hot days when the front yard sprinkler just doesn't cut it anymore. It's time to beat the summer heat and make a splash with Everclear Pools SA. Can't get to the backyard? That doesn't matter. We will have a Lockwood crane to precision place your pool into your backyard or point of destination. Everclear Pools SA, specialising in quality fiberglass, sales and installation. So give us a call at 8284 8677 or visit www.everclearpools.com.au. Everclear Pools SA.